serious.
It happened with little time to prepare.
4 minutes from when I got the notification to take cover.
The tornado warning notification so many received on Saturday afternoon was the only heads up Denise Flores of Shirley was given.
The impact hit my house so hard that it knocked me down.
When she came up from the basement, this is what she saw. Sheared off shingles, chunks of her neighbor's roof, and other debris scattered everywhere.
My entire house shifted. All the walls are fractured inside.
Denise's neighbor described it as a scene from a movie.
We started seeing hail, and then we looked at the window, we seen the roof of that house come off, and then we started seeing rotation.
The tornado in Shirley was one of at least 4 that touched down on Long Island. The National Weather Service also confirming tornadoes in Woodmere, East Islip, and Remsenburg. In Suffolk, winds flipped planes over at Brookhaven-Calibro Airport, ripped down the front facade of this Chipotle restaurant, and took down power lines and branches along with it. And in Nassau, this massive tree toppled onto this home in Levittown. Highly unusual weather events for this time of year, according to experts with the National Weather Service.
And particularly this situation was that these were indeed signatures of kind of a narrow path, isolated in nature, and convergent along that path.
According to the National Weather Service, 3 of the 4 tornadoes were EF0s, said to be the lowest level tornadoes with winds between 65 and 85 miles per hour. But the one that struck here in Shirley was an EF1 with speeds of 110 miles per hour.
My house took the brunt of this tornado, basically.
Denise hopes what happened to her home will be a lesson for others to take warnings seriously.
I don't feel lucky. I feel blessed.
Jody Goldberg, Fox 5 News.